Hello, I'm Trevor Mundel, President of Global Health at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. At the Gates Foundation, one of our primary missions is to support African countries in terms of reducing the gaps in health and health outcomes between countries in Africa and other communities that have access to a lot of resources. We see science as being central to this enterprise, but in a particular way. If this were a short-term effort, if I think we all felt that the problems, the health inequities could be addressed in the next couple of years, then you could argue that the fastest approach would be to import some technologies, import logistics, have local folks, countries implement and take care of the problems. But I think there is no short path to addressing some of the most difficult challenges. This is a many decades enterprise. And for that, we need epidemiologists, we need microbiologists, we need entomologists with great training, applied scientists who are trained in Africa, work in Africa, and are originating in Africa. How do we get that state? How do you get applied scientists to be working on the kinds of problems that we're interested in? Well, there has to be the right ecosystem, and that has to be the ecosystem that encourages, first of all, education right up the scale, but certainly tertiary education, specialization, has a degree of investment in education for education's sake, some basic research. That's the kind of fertile environment where people can want to participate in the scientific enterprise. And that's what we need to encourage in Africa. And it's ultimately those African scientists that are going to solve the problems. And hence, I see CARI as really fundamental to ensuring that this actually takes place, with this mission of really looking to African philanthropy, influential individuals in Africa, as much as a source of inspiration and potential support for this enterprise. So we are delighted to work with and participate in the CARI enterprise, and I would love to catch up with you in the near future. Thank you.